close to you.
Ow. Ow.
Because
Ow, my fucking foot stuck.
Because... Do you want to crop all this out then?
Get the fucking sticky feet on
No,
me.
I'm doing it. Right, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna laugh.
Don't.
Right then, ready?
Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Hey Charlie,
What?
what are you doing?
Go to bed.
God. Hey, Charlie,
What?
do you ever get homesick?
Shut up.
Don't you ever like miss your family?
Just go to bed, man.
Oh my god. Now our parents aren't here. Like, my mom's like, we can like totally have like chocolate for breakfast and that.
Shut up. Go to bed.
God, Mr. Grumpy Pants.
Shut up.
Impossible.
Shut up.
Impossible.
Shut the fuck up. Go fucking bed. Dickhead.
Wow, asshole.
Prick. Go to bed.
God, Mr. Grumpy Pants.
Fucking shut up.
Got this bit out as well. Carry on from there, yeah? Ready? Right. Hey,
What?
do you think frogs have feelings?
Fuck off.
Hey.
Fuck off.
What's
Go
wrong?
to bed.
What's wrong?
Shut up.
God, man. Crazy out there. I believe I can fly. I believe.
Shut up.
Touch the skin.
I'm trying to go sleep, man.
Wow, it's actually quite comfortable down here. Now let's get comfy.
Stay down there.
Get comfy.
Frick. Alex, you do it again. Fuck off.
What happened?
Fucking clicky.
What?
Now go to bed, man. Shut up.
Okay, I'll go sleep. I'll go sleep. I'll go sleep. Can I come back on the sofa?
No.
God, Mr. Grumpy Pants.
Alex, I've had fucking enough of you. You fucking asshole.
Ouch.
Asshole.
Oh, man.
Fuck off her.
Can I have a pillow?
No. Go to bed. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. Fuck off.
Oh, man. God. Stressy bollocks.
Fuck off.
What's up, Doc?
Eric.
My name's Eric, now it's...
Pose it, pose it.
Do not watch it so far. I bet you can't even hear us.